Okay guys, so now we are doing this video, November 1st. The reason I sound a little out of breath is because I actually recorded most of this video and then I realized it had stopped recording because my phone memory was full. It's this dang WhatsApp. WhatsApp takes up so much memory, it's ridiculous. Especially if you have kids, sending so many videos all day long with them. Anyways, this is my hair. It's been over. Hey! Look who's the hair! He's getting all big.
Where's Baby Chota?
Let's see who's Baby Chota. Baby Chota is our son. It's his little nickname.
Baby Chota's here.
He is just taking a little naparoo over there.
Where put the knife?
I'm actually going to adjust his hand real quickly. What he's doing here. Wait, sleeping on his hand. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay, let me just adjust your hand. Little Baby Chota. There you go. Let me make it a little more comfortable. Anyway, sorry.
And let me put something on Mama's face.
She's all talking and everything. But anyways, I don't even know if I showed you guys Baby Chota properly on the camera. I think I recorded him incorrectly. Anyways, it's been over 10 years now. 10 years and 1 month or 2 months maybe since I've gone a hair transplant. I saw in the previous video a question asking me what do I use in my hair currently, and I've stopped using minoxidil since September 2020. September 2020, just for the heck of it. Didn't want to put anything in my hair anymore. I was a Norwood 7, got about 3,000 grafts. I've never used finasteride or Propecia. And earlier this year, my doctor, Sean Benham in Santa Monica, did offer me another hair transplant to do some more hair, but I declined for now only because I was busy with a second kid and on the way, and to have that much downtime, it doesn't take that much downtime because it's like what, 1-2 days max of surgery. It's more to recover. The surgery day, it's a full day. You're looking at go early in the morning. And then it's a full day. So 2 days out of your life, or it's not so bad. And then there's the recovery time. Again, wasn't so bad. I'd say the first night actually after the surgery, you're not going to go run a marathon. Obviously, you're not even going to do that the first week. But you can pretty much get back to work even outside the next day. Really. They do it. I wouldn't say. You could. I mean, I think I did the first time. I did go probably 2 days after surgery, only because I didn't want to go the second day, just in case. And then the day after, I did go to work, actually. I put a cap on and I went to work, and everything was fine. It's really very fast recovery. It doesn't bug you. You would think FUE, all those holes, you see the pictures, and you're like, man, that looks painful. Not really. By the first day, it's not even painful, because you're still on the medication. It just doesn't hurt. And then by the second day, it's already like healing you. It's just like little scabs. By the third day, you don't even notice it. I didn't really even notice by the end of the second day. I don't even remember it. It wasn't anything memorable even. So that's how unobtrusive the surgery really is. But I still want to do it. I don't know. It's just I'm 39 now. I'm turning 40 next year. It's just I don't really care for hair that much, At this point, I'm fine just shaving it. I'm fine with this hairdo. Anyways, this is what it looks like. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please do leave it, and I'll be happy to answer. And thanks for subscribing and following my vlogs for so many years.